Insure versus ensure. How to use ensure versus insure correctly in English. Please check the following lesson and find out the differences between them. Using insure. To insure something or someone is to cover it with an insurance policy, a kind of agreement that states that if something happens to someone or something that's insured, the insurance company will provide compensation. It is advisable to insure your life against accident. Make sure you insure your camera against loss or damage. Which company do you insure with? I ensure that you will succeed. Check your work to ensure its accuracy. You should insure against loss of heat by having double glazing. Many companies won't insure young drivers. I'll take more care to insure against making mistakes. Make sure you insure your home contents for an adequate amount. Will it ensure success to you? No one can insure you from failure. Many companies won't insure new or young drivers. You should insure the painting for at least 100,000. Using insure. When you insure something, you're making sure it is going to happen. The airline is taking steps to ensure safety on its aircraft. We must take steps now to ensure the survival of these animals. These regulations ensure the humane treatment of all refugees. The price is low to ensure a quick sale. I cannot ensure his being on time. We need to ensure that handwriting is properly taught in our primary schools. You should ensure against loss of heat by having double glazing. The metal is then minutely examined to ensure there are no cracks. We must ensure continuity of fuel supplies. We must ensure proper standards of care for the elderly. I fitted a new lock to ensure that the bicycle would not be stolen. Our head office will liaise with the suppliers to ensure delivery. I will ensure that the car arrives by 6 o'clock.